guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, period. Anyways, we are about to go. We're about to go, but we gotta clean off this mouth because that ain't it. You know what I mean? We're about to head out. My freaking stuff is acting weird, but it's all cool. It's all cool. So we did have to take a stop at the store, but now we are here. Also, check out the outfit of the day. She's nice, she's nice. But yeah, you guys, we are here now. My grandparents literally just left, and we have the place to ourselves, okay? So I do plan on like going to the park or whatever the case while being here. The only thing is that it looks like it's about to rain, and today happened to be a lot chillier than what I expected. So we won't be going out today. Anyways, Kaden is right here, living his best life. And then our food. Here's my school. Here's all of the dog stuff and all of the dog instructions and stuff like that. And their dishes, their medicines, their foods and stuff like that I would have to give them. Like I said, I had to take a pit stop to go to the store, so I got me some bananas, some bread, some potatoes and onions. Also got a couple of things in here.
Okay, Dad.
Some mushrooms, some strawberries. I got Kaden some juice. We got some spinach and stuff. Caleb some milk and stuff like that. So, and we also got like some fruit in there as well. Some cherries and some grapes. Much looking like it's about to rain out here and stuff like that. So, yeah. And then I just put Caleb down to go to bed because he was having a huge temper tantrum, you know, mainly because it was his nap time. Yeah, look at these plants. This will be the room that I'll be sleeping in with the kids, and then it's also like a pull-out bed underneath here. Like I said, when I first moved in here, then you guys kind of saw it when I first moved, like in the city that I am in right now. This was like the first locations that I had went before I had moved into the apartment that I used to stay in before I just recently moved. So yeah, you guys will see how all of that will work with the bed and stuff, and you will see all that good stuff later on. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of the 3 dogs that I am watching. The white dog name is Dallas. This dog right here, they have had her the longest. Her name is Durban, and then the other dog is named Dexter. I forgot what their breeds are again. Like, I forgot like the name of the breed, the dogs, but yeah. My boy is over there sleepy. You can tell.
It's Wednesday! On oil, thank you!
You guys, I literally just woke up from a nap. But anyways, it is 6. They have to eat at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna already start preparing their food. So, yeah.
Hi, neighbor. I'm so glad you came over.
So I just gave them their food right here to mix her food with a little bit of medication and stuff like that. But he already ate his food. His bowl is really right here. So he was just sitting here looking at me like, am I gonna get some more? No, sir. There he is, looking at me. The other dog is upstairs. He usually doesn't come down until later on, so he will get his food. And then her food, she ate some of it, but I have to keep it up here so that he doesn't eat her food. Meanwhile, I do have to give her drops in her eyes, so yeah, better do that. Durbin, come here. Come here, Durbin. Where you at? Durbin. See my hand? See my hand? Here we go. Hard done. Hard done. Hard done. Okay, that was scary a little bit. I ain't even gonna lie. I never put a drop in a dog's eye, but we did it. successfully. Yay! He's literally been following me around. See, look, here he comes. He clearly likes me. He just like, I'm still gonna keep my distance. Don't come near me, girl. I'll come near you. Oh, there go the other dog. He actually came down here. Dexter. He's right there. Hey, Dexy, are you ready to go outside? I think he's got to pee. Come on, Dexter. Yeah, I think he has to pee. Because he hardly ever comes down. So that was very surprising to see, actually. He looking at me like, excuse me, privacy.
Where's my picture?
Got the ball. Bubble. Devin, do you want to go out? You didn't go out earlier either. You want to go out this time? Oh, you want to play. He's been eating a nice long rested nap. And I can change his diaper and make him another bottle, so. So I'm about to change his diaper and then I'm gonna let you know what the tea is, literally. Okay, now it's time to dispose of this bazooki diaper. And then I'm about to wash my hands.
Big time on a tiger family trip today.
So you guys, now I'm about to let them in. They should be ready. Let's see. Oh, there's one. Kaden, no. It's too cold out here, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Okay. Now, she's safe and securely locked up. Now it's time to show you guys the freaking hookup, okay? The freaking hookup. So, this is honey sticks, pure honey sticks. Hey, Kaden, no, keep that down there, okay? Thank you. This is hot cocoa. This is teas. And this is coffee. Personally, I don't drink coffee, but I love tea and hot cocoa. So I feel like that'd be a nice little treat for me. I'm just gonna put her food down here just for in case she wants it again. I would just have to monitor it. Hey, nope, you back. That's her food, okay? No, sir. I'm watching you.
Going on a camping trip in the woods. Wow, is that our cabin?
No, sir.
Taking a family trip can be
I
fun.
still see.
Today we're visiting here.
Let her eat. You ate all your food. That was super quick too, by the way. So I can only give them a treat a day. I'm not sure if they had a treat today. It's beef liver and sweet potato. It says they love the liver sweet potato treats and they can be broken into smaller pieces. Okay, so they love these treats the beef liver and sweet potato treats. So I'm just gonna give them one of these instead. Treat. Here. Treat. Here you go. Oh. My bad, I'm sorry. You thought I dropped it. She just bit the crap out of me on accident. Treat. She thought I dropped it, I think. Yes, you guys, so that is what the day is consistent of today. If I have anything else that I'm doing, then I'll pick up the camera. So yeah. So you guys, I am gonna be showing you guys upstairs and show you guys how it kind of look when we go to sleep. But we have our hot cocoa. She's looking good. She's looking great. And that was the M&M kind. Keep in mind, you guys, I have never had M&M hot cocoa before, so I was like, gotta try it. I ain't gonna lie, this stuff right here will make you sleepy. It's nice and warm, chocolatey. It tastes good. Oh man, that's a little bit too good. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But yeah, you guys, I will catch you when I go upstairs and show you guys how we sleeping. Okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to go upstairs. I got a couple of things that I actually need to do. So kind of gotta like straighten up in here a little bit. And then also I have to put this guy right here in his crate. So come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, get in your crate. Good job, good boy. There's your treat. And yeah. So he usually goes in there because he like to tear up a little bit of things, but yeah, for the most part, now I can put his food out so he can eat. I will come back up here and you guys will be able to see the room and how it looks right now. The boys, they kind of been in there, so I don't know if it's messy or anything like that, but yeah. So yes, let me put his bowl down here now. Food. He should be hungry. He went outside already, so we're doing good so far on our first day. Earlier I was trying to put him in his crate and he just was barking at me, talking back towards me. So it actually went a lot smoother this time because he's kind of gotten used to me being in here, so that's really nice. And yeah, now it's just time to pick up all of these toys. Lights out. And turn out the light and get ready to go to bed. I got his teddy bear. And yeah, you guys, this is it for tonight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I just caught this man slipping. Why you in that bowl, boy? No, you do not go in her bowl. No, sir. Do not go in her bowl. You guys, I just caught him slipping, trying to eat out of her food. But anyways, early rising, you guys. You guys just saw everything that I've done so far this early rising. I'm about to make me some tea. Yes, Caleb is still upstairs, and Kaden is now in the tub. And yeah, I'm about to make me some tea. The dogs already ate. I got the windows open, you know, letting in some breeze and stuff like that. And yeah. And my camera's about to die, so I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I just got out the shower and stuff like that. Kaden is ready to eat. Caleb is on to his second bottle. And yeah, we're about to probably just come outside and just chill for a little bit. I didn't drink all of my tea yet, so we still got some tea in the cup. I am about to make Kaden some food. He most likely wants some strawberries or something like that. Just some fruit this morning, not anything too much. Strawberries with bananas combined would be great for him right now. And then as for me, I am going to have some avocado toast with yeah, avocado toast with some strawberries probably, but I don't really know. I don't really know. We will see. So if Caleb is still hungry, then he will get some bananas because I did forget to get his oatmeal. So yeah, he'll get bananas. It's 11:23. We woke up at 8. Well, actually we didn't wake up until 9 actually, to be honest with you, but I just put some clothes in the wash right now, so while those washing, I am about to get ready to make my avocado toast. Okay, you guys, today is the last, well, yeah, today is the last day that I am here. I will be leaving tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm not going to record tomorrow. I am definitely ending this video today. But yeah, the boys are right here. Very frustrated for some reason. The dogs already ate. You guys already saw all of that process yesterday, so yeah. I only got 2 more hours to record, so yeah, we just gonna have to do what we have to do. Okay, we just gonna have to do what we gotta do. Anyways, you guys, as y'all can see, this room is looking a little bit of a mess, so we gotta start straightening things up and stuff like that. Oh, there goes the other dog. And yeah. You guys, it feels great out here. Feels wonderful. Caleb is upset because I put him down, so he's in there crying. He's running from a bee. I never saw a dog run from a bee. That might be the same bee from yesterday. Caden, didn't I tell you not to touch that? I think that's the same bee from yesterday. Okay, Caden, no, leave it alone. But y'all, it feels so great out here today. It feels lovely out here today. Everybody looking good, smelling good. Okay. Right now we are about to get ready to eat, so I'm gonna make them some food. And yeah, I'll just record that process. All right, you guys. So I've made some cheesy noodles. I'm about to go outside. It was great out here. It happened to be a lot hotter than what it was when I first arrived, because it was pretty cold and I did not expect that. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but my grandparents are coming back today, and they'll be coming back with my auntie. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record while they're here, but I do plan on this being the last day of me recording. I feel like it would have been nice if we would have eventually went to the park and stuff, but that it was pretty chilly. And so far, I hope that you guys are loving the video, especially because I hardly ever post anymore on YouTube. So yeah, that's for sure. As you can see, the sun then came out, glitz and glimmering. You wanna come out? He wants to come out. I don't mind letting them out if I'm out here. But if I'm not out here, then I'll just wait until their time for them to go out again. But yeah, I'm not sure what time that they are coming though. They said it would be like a little bit later, so if I was to guess, maybe like 5 or maybe even 7 o'clock at night. Look at my boy. Hi Dallas. See, that's how he greet me. He's a big talker. He talks a lot. He does. Isn't that right, Dallas? He talks a lot. He will have a full-blown conversation with you. It's reciprocation with him. There go Caleb. But I am soaking in the sun, getting my energy for today. I feel like today has so far been pretty decent, you know. Total experience with watching the dogs and taking care of them and stuff. It's been pretty nice. It's been fun. Getting closer to Dallas because I'm not too familiar with Dallas. This is like the first time that I really like hung out with Dallas, and he follows me all throughout the house. So then it's pretty surprising because the other dog that is upstairs, Dexter, he's been coming down a lot too. He's been coming outside a lot too, so I think he's warming up to me as well. So that's really nice. So my experience with the dogs and stuff and their schedule and stuff has been great. Go get Dallas. 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 Go get him. Go get him. Go get Dallas. Go get Dallas. Go get Dallas. Get him. Caleb, you can't eat the rock. Caleb, no, you can't eat the rock. Look at Caden's rock collection. Caden's rock collection. Smacking like you had a full course meal. You can't eat the rock. You can't eat the rock. Caleb. Okay, you guys, so I just finished up cooking. The food tastes delicious. So we got our spinach, as you can see, the cheese pool and everything. Y'all, it's looking scrim diddly dumptious. We haven't digged in yet. We also just finished feeding the dogs and refilled their bowls. My grandmother Well, my grandparents said that they would be here sometime soon. It is now 7 o'clock, 7:19. So yeah, they should be here soon. He has finally went to sleep. Pretty much all that we got going on right now. I can't wait to dig into this food because I already tried a little bit of it. And when I tell you it tastes so freaking good, it tastes so freaking good. I'm not sure if they'll even be hungry when they get back, but I made enough just for in case they may want a small plate or want to try it or something like that. Because honestly, this is my first time like cooking at their house, like by myself, if that makes sense. You know, they never tried any of my food yet, so yeah, hopefully they end up liking it if they do end up trying it, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm not gonna even lie to you, I was literally over here nervous as ever. I'm like, oh my gosh, because I heard a beep outside and I thought it was them, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was trying to like hurry up and cook, so then that's when like they wouldn't get here and I'll be cooking and stuff. Yeah, it's not like a secret type of thing, I'm just mad nervous. So I just wanted to update you guys on that, and hopefully I pick up the camera again when they get here. So we'll see. I shake for now. All right, you guys, we are back home. Period. Yes, we are back home. But turns out we ended up going home today instead of tomorrow. So with that being said, I'm about to put all of this stuff away. And then I just had some coffee chocolate. Man, that stuff was so good. I could eat those on regular. I literally just made it inside of the building. We just made it home. And yeah, I'm about to put them to bed and stuff like that. And I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.